Hi, I'm going to be walking you through how to create an AWeber form and campaign for DS Domination Leads. So I'll just take you through the steps and we'll get through it. The first thing you need to do is either select a list that you want to add the form to or create a new list. If you're going to be creating a new list, click on Create and Manage List, the link at the top, and then click the big green button, Create a List. The information right here is totally up to you, so I won't go over that. But what you'll need to do is, and this is for new and existing lists, if you're going to be using an existing list, you need to go to List Options and then click on List Settings. That will take you to this same page for that list. For both existing and new, you'll need to click on Step 3, Confirmed Opt-in. Then scroll down a little bit and make sure Require Opt-in on Web Forms is turned off. And then click Yes on the pop-up. So now we've created a list, we need to go set up a form for the leads to sign up under. So click on the Sign Up Forms tab at the top, and then click on Create Your First Sign Up Form. If you already have forms that you've created on an existing list, there should be a button over here that lets you set up a new form. On step 1 of creating a form, you don't need to do anything. Just scroll down and click on Go to Step 2. Right here, your form name, this is totally up to you. I'm going to go ahead and name mine DS Domination Leads. You'll need to change the thank you page. Click the drop down on that, click Custom Page, and then go ahead and type in this URL. system3steps.com/dsthankyou.php ? AID =, then you'll want to put in your affiliate ID. This is ours, so you'll definitely want to change this. If my affiliate ID for DS Domination was Jerry, I would go ahead and just type in Jerry right here. Then I'd go ahead and select this, because I'm going to need to put this same URL in the already subscribed page section. Click the drop down on that, click Custom Page, and then paste that information in there. The next thing you'll need to do on this is click on Show Advanced Settings, and then down where it says Pass Form Data, check to make sure you forward subscriber information to your thank you page. Go ahead and click the green Save Your Form button, and then click on Go to Step 3. The big button, I will install my form, click on that. And then on the tab Raw HTML version, click that. You'll want to select everything in this text area field. You can either do that by Control-C or Command-C, or just by selecting it all and then right-clicking and copying. You'll want to send that to ryan@legitdata.com. Once we get that information, we'll go ahead and add you into the queue, and you'll start to receive leads very soon. The next thing you'll want to do is you want to set up a campaign of emails to send out. What you'll want to do there is go to Messages and click on Follow-up Series, and then click right here. If you already have emails set up, this won't show up, but if you don't, go ahead and click on Looking for Campaign Sharing. Right here, you'll want to load a campaign. We have a special code for that will load a campaign that we've already set up that will automatically add in follow-up emails and broadcast emails for your use. So I'll go ahead and put that in here. I'll put this code down in the comments of the video so that you'll be able to easily copy and paste that. Once you put that in there, you go ahead and click on Load Campaign. This will take a little bit of time, probably a minute or two. So I won't go ahead and do that right now. What I'll do is I'll take you to our list that actually has those on there, and I'll show you those. So right here, after it finishes loading, your follow-up series will look like this. You should have 10 emails. And also, if you go to the Messages tab and then click on Broadcasts, again, it takes a little bit of time for that. There should be a list of broadcasts. Keep in mind that if you already have email follow-ups or broadcasts set up for a list, when you do the campaign sharing and you load a campaign, it will erase those emails. So just be aware of that. What you'll want to do is, so they're pretty much set up and ready to go. You do need to go in and just, there's some certain places where you need to change the links as well as your name so that it's more personalized. So I'll just go through a few of these and show you that. So if I click on number 1, I'll click on edit. And this will take me to a editor where I can go in and make sure the links are going to my affiliate link, as well as make sure my name is in there properly. So right here you can see the very first link. It's about 5 minutes long. That's the link. If you hover over it, you can see the link. If you double click on it, this will bring up a little pop-up editor that will allow you to change the link. What you need to do is just click and drag all the way to the right. Right now we have big payout in there. That's our affiliate ID. So you'll want to change just the affiliate ID with what your affiliate ID is. If mine was Jerry, I would just go ahead and type in Jerry right here. So it should be $AID equals Jerry, or whatever your affiliate ID is. Then all you have to do is just click out of that. And so now that link will be your correct link. And scroll down and just continue to go through this by double clicking on links, scrolling over to the right, and replacing them with your affiliate ID. If you get to one like this where it actually has the complete URL as the text for the link, what you'll want to do is double click on it just like every other link, scroll over to the right, change this to Jerry or whatever your affiliate ID is, click out of it, and then click just to the right of that, delete the big payout, and then put in Jerry. So now that will link correctly as well as show up correctly visually. There's also another one just like that right down on this down there. Click on that, scroll over, change to your affiliate ID, click out of it, erase the old affiliate ID, and put yours in. You can see right here in all caps it says your name here. What you'll want to do is just get rid of that and replace it with your name. Once you do that, all you have to do is click on save. Once it will go black or grayed out, that means it's been saved. So you can go ahead, scroll back to the top of the page, click on messages and follow-up series again. So you'll want to do that same routine for each one of these emails. Make sure anything that says your name here you replace with your name, and then all the links you need to replace with your correct affiliate ID. I'm going to show you a couple other ones that have some different things in there that one didn't have. So I'm going to go to number 4, click edit on that, scroll down, remember to replace your name here with your name. The reason I'm showing you this one is because there are images in some of these emails, and some of these images do link to your affiliate ID, so you need to make sure you change those. So if you ever see an image on one of the emails, just go ahead and click on it, and what will happen is it will show up the information about that image here on the right side. Some of them don't have an image link, and so you don't need to change anything about them, but if they do have an image link, all you have to do is click on it, drag to the right a little bit, and replace that with your affiliate ID. After you do that, you just got to click on save. Again, it will gray out. Scroll back to the top, messages, follow-up series. I'm going to show you one more once this loads up. Right here, so it's not about the $20, is it? I'm going to go ahead and click on edit. The reason I'm showing you this one is because it has a link that spans multiple lines. If a link spans multiple lines like this one right here, you have to click on each one of these lines to change the URL, the affiliate link. So double click on the first one, scroll over, replace that, and then you can see it changes the very first one, but it doesn't change the second one. So again, you need to double click on that one, scroll to the right, and replace that one. And then go ahead and scroll down, finish replacing all the links and replace your name here, and then click the save button, And once it grays out, then you can safely go to the next page. I'm going to go to broadcasts. So once you go through all the follow-up series, you'll then want to go to messages broadcasts, and it's the same thing. You just click edit on each one of these broadcasts and replace your name here with your name and any links to your affiliate link. That's all you need to do to set up a AWeber forms and campaigns for DS Domination Leads. If you have any questions, send an email to ryan@legitdata.com. Thank you.